Hello everyone, welcome to the third part of creating a code editor. So I've realized that I've done quite a lot of horrible things in the last episode. For example, here I used a div, and I said that I knew that it was kinda crazy to do that because everything inside of it could change everything outside of it, which is not good at all. So I did some research and I found out that actually using an iFrame without having to set up servers and stuff like that is extremely simple. So yeah, with the help of some guys over at Stack Overflow, I found this neat thing. So you can simply get an iFrame, as always, and get a document variable with this property, and yeah, then you can do all sorts of crazy stuff. And the best thing is that the script actually runs, and you can change stuff from within the thing. So for example, here the only thing I do with the style is set the color of the piece to red, and it does it. But also I change its font size to 20 px. And I did that later, not inside of the thing. And yeah, you can see it here that you actually change it to even more. So that allows us to have instant injection of CSS, whilst also letting us quite easily add some JavaScript to the thing. So yeah, let's convert that now. So this, instead of div, should just be an iframe, and close the iframe maybe, I don't know. You might want to do that. And now the script might be a bit different, I don't know. Also, I have to escape a few things, because just look at these JS fiddle. If I put something like let's say anywhere in the code you just have this thing. Oops. I just have this thing. It will kind of screw the thing up because the HTML parser runs before the JavaScript parser, which means that the iframe will get the old script thing, and also we'll see the /script before the end of the script. And that is quite bad. The only way to prevent this is to use CData. Again, this was also suggested to me by another guy from Stack Overflow, in which I have to put everything instead of those 2 points there. And I also have to escape every closing square parenthesis after that. Well, every bracket, non-parenthesis. Okay. So I haven't tried this yet, but this should work. So script, what was it? CData. I've already forgot. Okay. I've never used CData before, and I've actually seen it quite a few times. Wait. Okay. So, okay, this should work fine now. It doesn't. Great. In any case, I don't know. Still, this should work fine, right? If I do console.log of 1, yeah, that works fine. Oops. I don't really know what to do with the rest of the things. Okay. Just wait a second. Okay, so now let's just implement this thing, and I'll test later what to do with this CData thing. If I can't get it to work in a few tries, I'll just focus on the design of the thing. Okay, cool. I've already wasted 5 minutes, incredible. Okay. So, we want to get the iframe thing, so and yeah, we don't want that to do that every single time, so the let's call it doc, is equal to result dot content document. I've never used this thing before, so I hope that works, maybe. Okay, so first thing I need to do is open the document. So doc.open. And then well, first of all, I need to do something here. Doc.open. Here I close the doc. You'll see later why. So doc.close. When I reopen the doc, and when I here I just do doc.write. I don't know why is this. I mean, the formatting is quite strange. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now it should work as intended. Okay, so this should get both the JS style, well, everything working actually, other than the fact that I can't use any slash script here. Oh, also I have to do this, otherwise it will, and I don't know, actually it shouldn't, but no, it shouldn't. So let's get back here and let's see. As always, hello world, close paragraph. Here do P. I forgot that tabs does that thing. Okay. Color is red. As of now, if I run it, it doesn't work. Let's see if there's something wrong with VJS. Cannot read property open of undefined. Wait. Is that line 2? Yeah, it's line 2. So result.content document. What? And just to make sure, result is a div. Oh, I haven't updated the thing, I think. Nope. Did I not save HTML? I did not. Okay. Now this should work. Hopefully, maybe. Oh yeah, you can see now the creepy. Well, anyway, I don't like this. The outline of the iFrame, so it should be step SOP. Hello world. Close it. The color is red. Run it. Hello world. Good. Here console.log 1. Yep, look at that. I love this console. Yeah. It's quite satisfying actually. So technically now, if I don't use stuff like, let's see, if I do this thing, what happens? Oh. What if I console.log that thing, and just to make sure that everything else works after it, so console.log 2. Yeah, okay, so you can see that after the script, everything goes, well, does strange stuff. Yeah, so if I don't use the script, everything should work according to plan. Let's try to get an animation of mine and see if it works, because actually right now the functionality should be almost the same. Yeah, let's use this one that I had just made. If this works, I can go right to be putting tables instead of text, I guess. Well, no, first of all, I'll try to do that thing with CData. So, HTML, canvas. I don't think I used any script in there. No, but I did use GUI. .GUI. So first thing I should do is also say that GUI is equal to, well, that is equal to this thing, GUI, which is equal to and add is equal to function, which does nothing. This is just to prevent some errors right here. Oh, forgot the comma. And yeah, just not getting any errors. I won't get this GUI thing out here, but yeah, I can take care of that later. And then find is not a function. What's wrong now? GUI equal new .GUI. GUI equal function. Is that add equal function? What about now? Unexpected token. Is that add is equal to function. Undefined is not a function, but now .GUI, oh god, we should be like that. Yay, look at that. Ooh, that's awesome. I mean, it works. Yeah, also the resizing works as well. That's pretty cool, I think. It doesn't change anything around it. I use window.innerHeight and window.innerWidth, and that actually sets the thing to the canvas, because otherwise we would have seen the center somewhere over here, and that's not what we want. So we have 7 minutes remaining. Good. Yeah, I'll so one thing I've noticed is that I've seen this CData thing on CodePen as well, and I'd like to see how did CodePen implement it. I remember seeing it somewhere, can't really remember where. Also, let's just look for CData. So it's not here. It's probably in not the source code, but the actual DOM stuff, because probably it was injected with JS or something. I don't know. Elements. I don't want your styles. And now let's look for CData. No CData. Maybe with capital C data. Okay, that's disappointing. Let's just look in which place does the script get injected. Come on, libjs layer. Doesn't seem to be injected there. Oh, actually, this is my code. That's interesting. So input value. Wait, no. I'm just looking to where the code starts. That's quite interesting, actually. So this contains everything I've ever done. So okay, so you see here, HTML is that thing. HTML classes is that thing. Oh, of course they've put it in an iFrame, so let's just do that. Yeah, so you see, this is the big iFrame thing. And no, the script is plain just script. What's this? Now I'm just derping around looking for stuff that could help. Maybe. I see no C data here. How did they do this? So, just as a test, I'm going to try to do something here. Console.log /script and let me yep. Okay, so apparently even CodePen doesn't have this fail system. So, well, that's kind of interesting. You see, so the script ends here, and then what happens next is just the GUI add and stuff and things. Okay, that's good to know. So, yeah. Interesting. So now let's just try to get this text tag to look a bit nicer. Also, okay, good. I was worried for a bit. And yeah, let's just give a few minutes to this designing. This is interesting, like really interesting. Okay. Can't believe it. Let's just style this thing, I guess. So I also want run button to have a width of 100%. And yeah, again, just trying stuff out. Oops, 100%. Just trying stuff out. Okay, that's a bit better. We want to give it a background color of so if we want to keep the theme of this, I don't know, we might go for those colors maybe. We'll just say, oh, I have an idea. So background color is like that. Oh, also we need the border top to not be exactly like the thing above. So this is 2 and this is like no, like 1.5 and then just trying so that it looks slightly darker than the thing above. You can barely see the difference, but okay. So run button, we need to remove its border, so border is none. Oops, no, none. So now we got this thing. We need to color it as this color right here, which is like EE. I don't know. Just trying again, other way. Close enough, I think. Yeah, that could do. Font is. I'm just going to do something that I just like. Verdana 20px. And I think this was no. Okay. Yeah. And when I hover it, I want to give it this effect. So run button hover. Oh, I'll just do this. Hover is a background color of 111. Okay, so that's the alarm telling me that 20 minutes have passed, but I don't care. Actually, that's maybe a bit too black. There's almost no difference. Let's also set some paddings. So padding top is 20px and padding bottom is 20px, so that I get a little bit of more height. Bit better, I don't know. So yeah, let's try to figure out this text area thing. The problem was, why did this not work? Actually, I could calculate the thing. Also, they have a border, which I don't like. I want to remove the border of the iFrame as well. So, result border none. Okay, a bit better. Also, text area should have no border. Yeah, because one of my concerns was, why is this going in that direction by some values? Border none. Okay, looks a bit cleaner. Yeah, so in the next part I'm going to actually do stuff with the editor, like implement the table thing. So yeah, bye everyone, I hope to see you next time. Come back.